Get a feel for the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Pacifica is the ideal family hauler. Loaded with safety features and tech-focused amenities, it's powerful, quiet, agile, and offers flexible seating configurations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, heated mirrors, power liftgate, satellite radio, power driver's seat, heated front seat, third row seat. Get into a family vehicle that's both fun to drive and works overtime to keep passengers safe. Come in and drive the Pacifica.